Hi, so this is in between viewing. Hari ni dapat 2 viewing dekat rumah yang I kata I datang 5 minutes je. Rumah ni di Bukit Antarabangsa. It's Sinaran, UK. It's a penthouse, 2.5 tingkat. Jadi ni I pergi inspection sikit. Rumah ni memang total wreck. So memang macam blank canvas. Siapa nak take over, memang kena buat everything. This is the second floor, family area. Yang ini adalah master bedroom on the second floor. There's also one on the first floor. Dan ini adalah the third floor. Okay, why I want to show this? Sebab you nampak tak burung layang-layang tu memang berterbangan dalam rumah. So this is the view from the open area on the third floor. Memang nampak KL, and that is the lookout area where orang kena bayar masuk nak parking, and you get the view all to you. Ni pakai flooring dia semua total wreck. Memang you kena scrape off everything, and the tangga semua you kena scrape off lah. So memang owner dah turunkan harga yang paling best. Okay, so again, the view of KL. Can never get enough of view of KL skyline. So this is the second room and the third room attached with attached bathroom in between. Yes, flooring semua memang kena buat sebab dah lama tinggal. But you know, you can do anything you want on the floor for the flooring. It's like a total damage lah kan. So naik tangga. It can be a beautiful place. So itulah, I'm trying to give a new buyer, a new owner, something like a canvas, you know. So I did this video during our viewing today. We had 2 viewings. I still have callers. So it's interesting. You tengok dekat atas tu semua bird's nest. So bird's nest ni yang orang buat ubat tu, okay? But I don't know how to process it. Tapi I think kalau I dapat ambil all this bird's nest, memang lumayan. So this is the master bedroom with bathtub, very old fashioned. For more info, give me a call.